Hello friends, welcome to another new video from Health and Techie. Today I am going to show you how to fertilize your aloe vera plant very effectively. You can see my aloe vera plants here. Only difference is in one pot you can see aloe vera pups are coming up. As you can see here, there is two small pups and also another one is coming up on the other end. But I have only fertilized one of these pots with a secret mix of fertilizers. The another one is not having any pups coming up. So I will tell you how to fertilize your aloe vera plants to get maximum growth and to get some pups coming up. If you not subscribed this channel, please subscribe to this channel and also don't forget to hit that bell icon. Okay, let's start. The first important ingredient of our potting mix or fertilizer is the banana peels. As you can see here, you have to cut your banana peels not more than 3 centimeters as like in this video. You have to use about 5 to 6 banana peels for a single aloe vera plant. And the container for the planting of aloe vera plant should contain some drainage holes as you can see here. This will help to drain the water out. And you have to prepare a potting mix by mixing cow dung with normal garden soil and also with some ash. You have to mix these ingredients very thoroughly. And after the mixing, you can add the banana peels into this. I will show you how to add the banana peels. Okay, now our mixing is almost complete, and you have to just moisten your mix or fertilizer mix, and again you have to mix it thoroughly. Now we can transfer this into our container. And also I am adding the banana peels, and again I am going to